welcome to M2J. Hi, my name is CJ. In today's video, we'll be talking how to be high maintenance to be low maintenance woman without sacrificing your beauty and style. Ladies, investing in yourself is a self-care. It is always never too late to invest in yourself. First up is lashes. Instead of spending hours applying mascara or false lashes, why not try a lash extension, even a lash lift or a lash tip? They give you a more awake and glamorous look. They last for 6 to 8 weeks and you don't need any special care or products to maintain it. You just wake up and go. If you love having your nails done but hate the hassle of going to the salon every 2 weeks, you might want to consider getting gel or tip nails. These are durable and lasting options that don't chip or peel easily. You can choose from variety of colors and design. So remember ladies, most of these activities can be done at home. It helps you save money at the same time.
Don't know what this dance is, but at least I'm not dancing alone. All kinds of crazy. You heard what I said. I blame you, lover. I'm out of my head.
Facial mask is a great way to pamper your skin and give it some extra hydration and nourishment. You don't need to buy expensive or fancy masks. You can make your own at home with simple ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. As in every skincare routine, it also helps you to wear less makeup at the same time. So the Swan sunscreen is the most obvious one. So don't forget to wear your sunscreen, ladies. We don't want skin cancer, okay? A bright smile can make a huge difference in your appearance and confidence. Your lips need protection from sun too, so don't forget to apply a lip product with SPF before you head outdoor. Next up is eyebrows. We have brow lamination. This brow lamination is good for people who have already thick hair, and for microblading is good for those people who have less thick hair. I mean, this one will elevate your look and less time in shaping your eyebrows every day. The hair is the crown of every woman, so this hitless brow, if you want to have smooth and voluminous hair without using any heat tools, just try this girl. It only requires hair ties and clips. If you are tired of shaving, waxing, or plucking your unwanted hair, you might want to consider getting hair laser removal. This is a procedure that uses a laser beam to target the hair follicles and destroy them, preventing them from growing back. It can be done in any part of your body, such as legs, arms, bikini area, underarm, faces.
Doing